Hello, welcome to this course. My name is Peter, and I'm a business intelligence advisor working with global companies. There are multiple tools to visualize and analyze data, but difficult to become an expert in each one of them. Microsoft Power BI is one of the most powerful tools to transform, analyze, and visualize data, and it also develops interactive dashboards in minutes.
A lot of work used to be on Excel, making reports and visualizations every day. So I attended this training to make that work simpler, as Power BI has helped making tasks that took a lot of time in Excel, doing everything a click away in Power BI.
So Power BI is a software that is very much required in the industry, and I wanted to gain some competency which would help me in my management career.
This training helped me a lot how to do Power Queries, how to deal with Power Pivot, and basically analyze data that I have and doing things in a simple click.
It helped me understand the basic concepts of visualization, data cleaning, and dashboard creation and publishing the dashboard and making it live.
In this course, we follow unique 𝐏𝐶AO teaching pedagogy by Henry Harvin to learn data visualization and business intelligence using Power BI. We start with basics of visualizations and interactive dashboard, followed by creating a column chart, stacked bar chart, heat maps, combo chart, and interactive dashboard. After that, we learn to get started with Power BI Desktop and create bar graph, columnar chart, date table, data models, pie charts, various types of slicers, merge and append data, and my favorite topic, create interactive dashboards in Power BI.
Content was really comprehensive. We started out from Power Query, moved on to Power Pivot, and we also learned about the visualization techniques also. So it was a very comprehensive tool. The trainer was really good. Like, he explained us the basic concepts really well, so that we had a good foundation, and then we moved on to the more complex parts, and he had a very nice way of organizing the whole session as well, so we were able to cover up a lot of things.
Yeah, actually from current business point scenario, this course is actually very helpful for all the managers, future managers, so I will recommend this one.
Yes, I would like to recommend to all of those who want marketing as their core subject.
Yes, of course, I would recommend this training, especially to people who are going to enter the industry, who have a lot of client interactions, who have to present reports to the client.
I'll recommend this course of Power BI.
Yes, I would recommend this training because it's a new tool and there are limited resources for it.
Of course, I think everyone should know how to work on Power BI because it's very easy to use tool, and it really makes everything very simpler how to get insights from data. It just helps you get things done with one click. So I'll recommend this course to everybody.